have been coming to Srinidhi Vaibhava since the time it started.
7 to 8 months ಇಂದ ನಾನು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
हम तो इधर डेली आते हैं श्रीनिधि.
This is the go-to place for our breakfast. ಆಫೀಸ್ ನಮ್ದು ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ನಾವು ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ವೈಭವ್ಗೆ.
Right here in Electronic City, this restaurant has become part of people's everyday lives.
Food quality, I must say, is really good.
Starting from idli, vada, dosa, mangalore buns, whatever you taste here, it's of high-notch quality.
Very soul satisfying, and the breakfast is simple South Indian meals.
ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಫುಡ್ ಥರ.
बहुत अच्छा है, आपको लगेगा कि आप घर का खाना खा रहे हो.
Which is why we keep coming back again and again.
घर में भी कई लोग होते हैं जो एक आइटम खा खा के बोर हो जाते हैं, तो उनको अलग अलग आइटम चाहिए, अलग अलग टेस्ट चाहिए, तो हम लोग उस हिसाब से अलग अलग टेस्ट बनाते हैं. जैसे आज ड्रैगन फ्राइड दे दिया, कल क्रिस्पी बेबीकॉर्न दे दिया, परसों गोल्डन फ्राई बेबीकॉर्न दे दिया. उस तरह से हम लोग डेली रेसिपी चेंज करते हैं.
Great hospitality isn't something you notice. It's something you feel.
लोग यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे हैं. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट इज द स्टाफ.
We have come so many times that we now know each one of them and they coordinate pretty well.
आप कभी भी यहाँ पे आओ, आपको हमेशा वेलकमिंग लोग मिलेंगे.
When a place becomes part of people's everyday lives, their experiences speak louder than anything else.
Usually we visit every weekend, and even some days when I feel bored to prepare breakfast, we'll just come down to Srinidhi. So this is one of the best place I have been for the breakfast.
In Electronic City, Srinidhi is the best, what I can tell.
It's very spick and span here. So yeah, we enjoy the food out here.
The location of this place is very nice. It's open, so I like that vibe also here.
And as you can see, she loves it too. So yeah, we love the whole experience and the food here, and I would definitely recommend this place.
For the people of Electronic City, this is more than just another restaurant. It's a place where good food, warm hospitality, and lasting memories come together every single day.